Hello, this is Ben Snyder with GoToKiosk, here to give an introduction on our TowneScope software, which is a software built to market cities and towns. Basically just to promote local businesses and educate residents and visitors about events and historical information, and also to encourage activity within your community. So basically we would work with you and build your custom software and make all the buttons custom, and then this video is kind of give you an idea of like what we've done in the past and what your software could do. For this example, I've got this on here on the left is one we did for a city, and then on here on the right is another one we did for another city, just so you can see that it is custom, and just go through some different ideas that we can do. So here on the left, you're seeing like a screensaver mode. So like when the kiosk is not in use, you can have an optional screensaver mode where you can actually sell advertisements, or you can promote like events that are going on within the city. You can promote that here so that people, if they're either driving by or walking by, they can see that and know what's going on. So you just touch the screen to begin, and then the basics of the TowneScope software. You have your local events, things that are going on within the city. Coupons, so restaurants that want to be able to, you can share a coupon via email, they can get involved and put their information on there. A custom photo booth with custom filters that you can share to your phone and post to social media. And then you can have optional advertising space on your software, your local events that you got going on. We have an interactive map that I'll show you here in a bit. You have an ADA button that actually drops the screen down for people if they are in a wheelchair that they cannot reach the top of the kiosk. So this will be able to help them be able to access all the buttons. And we'll just go through some different examples. We'll dive into this a little bit. So I already showed you like the advertising for the screensaver. I'll just show you the coupon section real quick. So this can be as many coupons as you want. I guess I should have mentioned right at the beginning is all the software is internet based, it's cloud based. So we basically work with you and say, hey, here's what our software does. What do you want it to do? Is there anything else you need it to do? And then we set it up for you, and then it's like changing your Facebook status. So it's basically like adding images, adding descriptions. It's really easy, and then once you update it from your phone or your laptop, it updates on the kiosk automatically. So yeah, going back to the coupons, this is a coupon section. Like I said, it can be as many as you want. You can click on a coupon from this area, and it'll pop up with information. So it'll say share, which you can share that to your phone or your email address, and maybe the coupon has an image that says 20% off your meal at Famous Days, and then there's a description down here with more information. So you can be creative with that. For the advertising, like I said, you can actually make money with these kiosks. So you can sell ads here. This could be scrolling, or you can actually click on the advertisement and it'll pop up with like a coupon or a PDF that you can share. So down here at the bottom is like your upcoming events that are going on in the next like few days or so. So I'm recording this on October 4th, so it's showing all the events today and on the 6th and the 7th. So you can actually click on an event and it'll pop up with image, the details of what's going on, the time and the location, just so that people are aware of like what's going on while they're in town. Just going here on the left to show you another example of what some other cities are doing. This is one we did for Santa Claus, Indiana. They have a video, so you select the video.
I'm so excited about tomorrow. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun going horseback riding, walking the trails at Lincoln Park. Painting.
So they're just trying to promote some things that are going on via the video. Or maybe you can have like a video of your mayor saying, hey, welcome to Santa Claus, Indiana. We're glad to have you here. Make sure to check out this while you're in town, or something like that. And then they also did like a newsletter sign-up sheet where you can actually, it doesn't have to be a newsletter, but just something where you can actually fill out your information and then be submitted. And for this software, this looks kind of wonky, but that's because we built this software for a widescreen. But for this scenario, I'm showing you what it would look like in a portrait mode kiosk. So we'll go back home. Show you the photo booth. It's going to put the camera on me, so don't be scared whenever it pops up and you see my face. There I am. Alright, so you can take the picture at the photo booth and it will count down. Then you can apply custom filters. So this town has a lot of them. And then you can send to your email address, and then you can have a custom message with the actual picture. It says like, hey, be sure to post this using hashtag Santa Claus or whatever you want to do. And then also we have here, like, by saying this, you agree to the GoToKiosk terms of service, basically protecting the city from anything bad happening. All right, we'll go back home. We'll take a look at the restaurants tab, or you can have attractions or lodging or whatever you want to have, so you can see the restaurants in the area. Like I said, this actual software was built for a kiosk like this, so I need to zoom out a little bit to show you guys. Alright, so this is where it's like an interactive map, so you can click and drag, you can zoom in and see different restaurants that you're nearby. And then they're down here on the left hand side that you can go to the next pages. And you can also search, so say you just want to look for fast food, you can click fast food and click search. But basically if you click on a restaurant, it'll pop up with the image, the name, and then the description, and this is where you can put like the address or the hours. And this one example says hours very please call. So say you want to go to this restaurant, you can actually share that to your phone as well, so you have that. And if there's an address in there, whenever that gets to your phone, you can actually just click on the address and it'll pop up with your maps, so then you have wayfinding. Show you a little bit about a lot of cities that we work with are really trying to highlight their historical timeline, like showing what made the city so special. So we put in this historical timeline where they can have year, a description, a year, and just like, or a title, year, and description of like what happened during that time. Not all these have images, but most of them do. Just something cool you can do for people that are looking to learn a little bit more about the city. Then some fun facts. We can do custom fun facts as well. So that's basically TowneScope in a nutshell. Like I said, it's just built to just promote your businesses, try to get people to be active within the community, go to your local events and all that. So hopefully this video was helpful and you have a better idea now. Thanks. Bye.